How do I intro this video? So today we are going to be swimming in slime, imagine. So today we are going to be doing a slime smoothie. I know, basic ass, right? I'm basic like that, but so is everyone else on YouTube. No shade. Let's get started. This is my pool.
And
Let's get started. So I had to go get a trash bag because you know, I'm actually worried about this now because I don't know if you guys can see, but the pool is actually leaning a lot. Oh, there's clay here. Let's do the Hoshimi slime one. I was supposed to do a review on it, but they told me that something was wrong. They told me that something was wrong with their logo, that it was copyrighted, so I never ended up actually doing the review on it. If you guys actually want to see a review on it, leave a comment down below. So next is this egg. Look at my hands. I actually recently made this one, and it's all sticky now. It has a lot of foam beads, so okay. Next is this one from Puggy's Slime Shop. I actually turned this into a cloud. Next is from Big Boy Slimes. These were one of my favorite slimes, you guys. You guys should go buy from them. Next is this one. It's a pink Chanel, but I turned her into a butter slime. Up next is Pan Dulce from Slime Vita. This one's an old one actually, or really old one. Yeah, you can tell by the stickiness. Cotton Candy from Big Boy. I'm regretting doing this now because it's gonna be so messy. One of my personals. This one's probably all melted. Her slimes, you guys. Glitter Slimes is shaking. Parakeet Slimes is shaking. Even though I can't open it because there's slime on me. There you go. I'm not gonna be able to name them all, so I'm just gonna go fast because my memory is not that great. Hoshimi Slimes. Oh, Squishy Bunny, one of my faves. Pan Dulce. Oh my god. Wow. I already know how many left. I think you guys check the video. Yeah, the participated. Okay, let's go.
Camera just died, and this one's about to die right now in a couple of seconds. So here is, it turned into like a brownish red. It smells really good. It smells like a lot of things. But yeah, that's me in a full of smoke.